Hey guys, my name is Amar here, and in this video I'm going to review HostGator. HostGator are really old web hosting company that provide every kind of web hosting like share, web hosting, Wordpress, VPS, and they also provide dedicated web hosting. Their guys are actually not very popular. I'm also average satisfied with these guys. I actually purchased their hosting for 1 year ago. I can say the hosting is not really good and not really bad also. If you are beginner and you want to buy hosting without spending a lot of money or any extra charges, I actually recommend HostGator. But let me show you what I had. So let's first discuss about uh, share hosting. There have three kind of plan: hatchling, baby, and business plan. In hatchling plan, you get 60% off. That actually very good for beginners. If you want to get hosting for 1 year, or you want to test your knowledge on website, or you are beginner, you can't afford other hosting that ask you for $3 per month or $4 per month. I actually recommend these guys who can't afford those hostings. So hashling plan, you get single domain, you can host your single domain, and they also provide one-click install and unlimited bandwidth. That's very good, and you also get free SSL certificate. SSL certificate you might be see when you visit website that don't have HTTPS or SSL certificate. The website got red and Google show this website is dangerous, don't go ahead. That's prevent SSL certificate prevent from those red screens. So baby plan also have 60% off and unlimited domain you can add. That's very awesome. And if you beginners you want to test new landing page, new offers like CPA offers and affiliate marketing offers, baby plan is actually good. You can add unlimited domains and test your offer, and if you this best one convert, you can go with those offers. So you also get one-click install, unmetered bandwidth, free SSL certificate. So business plans also have 60% off. They also add like button and say we recommend this hosting. And they have you can add unlimited domains, one-click installs, and unmetered bandwidth, free SSL certificate, and free upgrade to positive SSL. And then is very positive of share hosting by HostGator. You get free dedicated IP and free SEO tools. Dedicated IP and SEO tools are very potential, and they got if you are doing do you want to do SEO on your website, or you want to review website or any kind of personal website you want to rank on Google, that you also try their free SEO tools that might be beneficial for you. So no WordPress hosting. They say we provide 2.5x speed and advanced security, free migration. If you don't like HostGator, you can also move to another hosting. They also provide free migrations. So starter plan, they have standard plans and business plan. Starter plan have 40% off, and you can host one site. The positive thing about starter plan is you can, if your websites have a lot of visitors and you have more than 100k visitors per month, you can go with WordPress cloud hosting with starter plan, and you can also get 1 GB backup if you got if you want to change your themes, plugins, or anything virus attack damage your website. You can also get 1 GB data backup. Then you can get free SSL certificate, and standard plan they say we recommend, and 50% off. You can host 2 sites and 200k per month. These a lot of people don't have like these kinds of visitors per month, but they are going to start. So they also provide 2 GB backups and free SSL soft certificate, and the business plans have 57% off. You can host 3 sites and 500k visits per month, 3 GB backups and free SSL certificate. And starter plans 5.95 per month, 7.95 standard plan, and business plans have 9.95 per month. So I actually buy share hosting hatchling plan because I am beginners, and I don't have a lot of visitor on my site, because I want to promote some affiliate marketing products and dash some landing page. So I buy a hatchling plan. That's a good one. But if you have more visitor, you can go with standard plan by HostGator cloud hosting. If you have more than 200k visitors, you can go with business plan. Their hosting is actually cheap, and you can say not better than other, but if you are beginners and can't afford those hosting that ask you $3 to $5 per month, you can go with HostGator. And the support review, I have actually story to for you. So I want to tell you something. Before I buy a hatchling plan by WordPress, I ask them specification of this web hosting. They told me that, honestly, I actually like the guy who told me. They say there's some kind of glitches can happen if you buy hatchling plan. Sometimes your website can go down, so might be your visitor can't visit your website or can't see anything. So I actually impressed by these guys, because they don't say buy our hosting is very good, and they just tell me the truth. They say our hosting can go down, and downtime they say also that our hosting have low uptime. Hatchling plan have low uptime. I'm not talking about others, but they say hatchling plan have low uptime. So I actually promote some offers with hatchling plan, and then I actually see only sometimes the server go down, but most of time my offers, I also visit my websites and say my offers is visible. So the hatchling plan is actually good, but this plan can cause you some serious issue if you have a very big website, or if you sending paid traffic. If you sending paid traffic, then you might be try their business plans, because you also get some new tools and dedicated IPs and SSL certificate. So my affiliate link is below. If you want to buy their hosting, you can go and buy their hosting. And if you have any question related to the HostGator, let me know in the comments below, and the affiliate link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.